Hi, my name is Daniel Brannon, Sergeant with Athens-Clarke County Fire and Emergency Services, and you're watching Snapshot 6. This video today will be focusing on the efforts of the unified government over the past month, and today we'll be looking at AEDs for the fire service and seeing how they work.
As part of the nationally celebrated EMS Week, National EMS donated 4 automated external defibrillators, also known as AEDs, to the Fire and Emergency Services Department. An AED is a medical device used in the case of sudden cardiac arrest to analyze the heart's rhythm. If necessary, it delivers an electrical shock, known as defibrillation, to help the heart reestablish an effective rhythm. EMT-certified firefighters will use the AEDs to provide care on the scenes of life-threatening medical emergencies while waiting for ambulance service to arrive.
Start CPR.
The fire department was issued a medical first responder service license by the Georgia Department of Public Health in June 2017. The department increased training that year to begin certifying each firefighter as an emergency medical technician. The Leisure Services Department coordinated and planned the Star-Spangled Classic held on Saturday, June 30th in downtown Athens. The event, which included a concert, food trucks, and a kids zone, concluded with a fireworks display from the Classic Center parking deck. Several departments and offices participated in the planning and implementation of the event, including Central Services, Fire and Emergency Services, Police, Sheriff's Office, the Public Information Office, and Solid Waste. Approximately 10,000 people attended the free event. Central Services Landscape Management Division right-of-way crews continued to perform roadside mowing and cleanup. The regular work is part of their maintenance rotations for roads owned by Athens-Clarke County and some state-owned roads by agreement, except for Loop 10. Crews also installed landscape enhancements in the Tallahassee Road-Whitehead Road roundabout and serviced the crosswalk islands on Prince Avenue, North Avenue, and Cedar Shoals Drive, as well as the median island on Danielsville Road. The Leisure Services Department's parks crews also continued to mow and maintain all parks and along the Greenway, planted the beautification projects at the Southeast Clark Park and Tennis Center signs, and hydro-seeded the popular Wiggly Field Dog Park with 4 different types of grass seed, fertilizer, and lime. Athens-Clarke County Transit and the Public Information Office updated route information, including maps and time points, for 9 bus route revisions that took effect on July 1st. The service route revisions were recommended as part of the Transit Development Plan, or TDP, approved by the Mayor and Commission at the May 1st regular session. The TDP is a 10-year horizon plan required by the Georgia Department of Transportation. It is intended to support the development of an effective multimodal transportation system statewide. The recent plan set forth recommendations for revisions to a number of Athens-Clarke County transit service routes and is available for review online at accgov.com/TDP. On Thursday, June 21st and Friday, June 22nd, the Athens-Clarke County Economic Development Department partnered with 4 Athens to co-host the Emergent Hackathon. A hackathon is an event where people work together with technology to devise a creative solution for a problem or challenge. This 24-hour hackathon included mostly first-time hackers who creatively designed solutions for mapping Athens startups and startup activity, as well as connecting people experiencing homelessness with job opportunities. At the Rotary Club of Athens' annual Public Safety Awards luncheon on June 20th, a number of individuals were recognized for their efforts above and beyond the call of duty. In the police department, Communications Officer First Class Kristy Thrasher was awarded the 911 Communications Officer of the Year, while Officer Calvin Gordon was awarded the Sherm Applebaum Police Officer of the Year award. The Rotary Club also honored Fire Department Lieutenant Eddie Farmer by naming him the 2018 Fire Officer of the Year for embodying the motto, "Service Above Self," in his 22 years of service.